Okay, so today I'm going to make a more permanent repair on my connector cables. It kept becoming too loose and stopping my car, so I had, in another video, I had taken a little sinker for that you use for fishing, just a tiny one, and smashed the hell out of it, and then stuck it down around the connector, and that worked. But I am planning a trip, about 2,000-mile trip, so I went to the auto parts store and got these more permanent shims to stick on there so that I could tighten it down real good, and use these anti-corrosion little felt things that you put around there, which I ended up forgetting to use, so I still have those. And I ended up just using one of these shims because the red side was already really super tight, and I didn't want to mess with it again. It's not the greatest to get off. I have a Fiat, and it has all of these screws. It's not a normal thing, and they all require different size wrench, which is insane. I don't know why they made it this way. It's anything but simple. So I'm using a new tool that I got called an alligator wrench, and it saves you from having to keep changing your socket wrench sizes, and it worked really well. I couldn't get it to fit in all of the little spaces. My brother doesn't like his, he thinks it slips a lot, but like down in those little spaces, I had to use a regular wrench. It was just too tight for the alligator. But all in all, I think it worked really well for me. So I've got everything put back together. We're good to go, and yay for the shims. All in all, it cost me maybe $4, and I didn't use half of it, so